Where are you burned out? Eating chicken all the time, your exercise routine, your relationship doing the same old, same old? Where do you find yourself going, ugh? Be honest with yourself. You can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Don't make being burned out wrong or get upset with yourself. View it as a guide that it's time to change and trust you'll find what you need to reignite your fire, fill your cup, and replenish and rejuvenate. Take a step back, take a break, and commit to doing something to break out of your rut. It doesn't have to be huge. It can be making salmon for dinner, trying a new workout, or having a date night with your loved one. What will you do to shake it up? Celebrate and honor yourself when you take that courageous step to get unstuck. On next month's episode, we're talking about having an open mind. Go out, clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.